video to adjust or to follow. Okay, boundary, pick line. I think this arc here should be able to join. Yep. So here I'm going to trim away. Okay, your RAM should be nicely up. Okay, done. Okay. If can, we are doing this, try to purely see only your RAM. No need the other side. Yeah, like that. So you may want to have one more view, like called 3D RAM 3D with a crop view like this. Yeah, right click, duplicate, detailing. You can call this as your RAM 3D. So at least no need to keep adjusting like mad. It's okay to have multiple view. All right, RAM 3D or Carpark RAM 3D. So Carpark is Carpark. Okay, I think just RAM 3D lah. Okay, so from here you can have a better, clearer view. Yeah, like that. So at least when you draw, easy to adjust, better that way. Okay, so my 3D model, I can just unhide. It should be for viewing. So also, this is how you manage your view. You can see at the same time you're comparing. Another word means what? You're working at two screens. One screen display the 3D to view as a whole model as it goes. Then the other view is your working view, so that you are looking at the RAM 3D here. When you're copying, pasting, is it the positioning is correct or not? Okay, I mean, so at least not so messy. See, like that. So last piece is this one. If you're going to copy, this is how I've done with this. I don't think I can copy, but I can only copy the RAM. So copy, paste, align. Second, yep, offset the value. So from base is 5655. The top is 10850. Yep, it should be fits nicely. Yeah, distance is there, but the spacing is out. Never mind lah, a bit only. Same as this fella. So from start is already the same. Okay, unless you want to readjustment, here should be fit nicely. The level. Yeah, look like it's a bit offset. Never mind. But at least it's get what you want because of the arc shape here. Okay. Normally for side casting, they also have some similarity here lah. A bit of offset, which is not a big deal lah. Okay. Can be polished or grind off flat in real world. Yeah. Okay. So like this. So once up, you can see that the rest will be nicely done, and you notice that a lot of things can be properly adjusted. Okay, so I'm going to copy this up. One, control key, two, another one is this. Okay, so copy, paste, align to level 3. It should go up nicely. Okay. Paste on level 4. Okay. Paste on level 5. Okay, next level is no more. I think they only stop up to here. Alright. Yeah. It doesn't have any other stuff. So here, this part, you have to have a ramp. What ramp? Parapet wall. Okay, like this. Yeah. Okay. So I think more or less my ramp have completed. I only left is the beam, which is the headed part. You guys go in, do it. Okay. Some can copy if not hinge. You can copy. Some if cannot, then you got to generate, then adjust. I know it's time consuming, but for RAM, we got no choice. All right. So, okay. So let me look at the full 3D. You should have the component copied. TW. Yep, like this. Okay. So you want to copy this up or this up. How? Select this. Control. Which one? Slap. This one and this one. Okay, the rest later first. I want to copy, see is it okay so far. Yeah, this is level 2. Copy, paste, align to level 3. Okay, looks good. Oh, did I select level 3? Is it level 3? No wonder. I missed one level component. Where is my green slab on level 3? Terrible me. How can I miss out such big gap there? Okay. Paste level 4. Okay, nicely. Paste level 5. So you can see that if you do it nicely or follow closely, don't rush. Everything should be nicely placed up. So as long as you do your first and second story correctly, everything will be in place nicely. See, sweet already. Okay. Of course, here column could have took a bit out, not just stop there. Unless there's really no support already, yes, you may join nicely because this is how it come in and turn across. So this is the overall things that are here. The one that I miss out is here, which is my level 2. Surprisingly, it's disappear. Did I hide it? Double check. I don't think I have that hidden, right? Yeah, because nothing to hide. Okay, that means probably I miss it or I accidentally delete it. Okay, I'm going to select this piece. And what else can I copy? This. Control. Try to control this. Window this. Hopefully not any other stuff, which is my worries here. Shift key. Select this. Control. Orbit. Aha, some here. Shift. Like this. So your copy stuff, make sure be careful. All right, don't miss out anything. The beam I didn't copy. This mouse is killing me. Yep, I don't have a beam underneath. Copy, paste, first, second, third. How come copy to fourth? I want third one. Yeah. What's happening? Undo. Something wrong with my system, is it? How come suddenly things disappear? Yeah, but nothing hidden is hollow. It's kind of weird. Okay, as long never mind. You guys understand what am I doing? Yeah, we'll do. Okay. So column, copy all the way up. Try to create a beam here to support. All right. Normally, this type of ramp here, since supported by this, still should have one beam here, one beam here. All these should have a beam connected. Okay, this part here challenging. You should have a beam joined to column here to here. Across, yeah. So a lot of things you guys got to take note. As long as there's beam, column, they must have something to show that they are connecting. If here don't have, please add one. All right, is to support this part. Okay, because here I don't have any connection. This is empty. So in between, I should have another beam there. I mean a column across it. Oh, so be mindful of that. Okay, I think yeah, that's all. Questions? Anyone? Now it's 12:10. Oh, today super quiet. What's happening? Doing the model or having a test? I don't think you guys have a test, right? It's the last week stuff. Remember rush assignment, huh? So you got to rush my this assignment also, right? Okay, so next week what we're gonna do, forecast, doing Moodle. What Moodle? The detail are we show to you all or eating noodle or tap wrongly. So you're eating noodle. Okay. Anyway, need to be added. Don't worry. So remember, all right. Um, only your I see some of the drawing you all sent to me. Here should have a slab to cover. All right. Yeah, should have a slab to cover. I mean the so-called flat roof. But here, since people are assessing, you need to have a parapet wall here, 200. All right, as I say. The rest here no need because all these are facade curtain wall. But all these that you create, you must have the real wall. All right, anything that is on here, it should be 500. Anything that is here, nothing much one is 200 thick will do. Yeah, then everything should be complete. Okay. I would say that nothing much already. Structure itself, beam system might show that truss. Truss here. This kind nothing much on steel structure, only this. This I might not create as a truss because we are not doing structure. Sorry, what? Not structure. This kind of space frame for roof, like a foyer thing. You need to have a space frame to support. Then this is called truss because this is more on steel concrete, so we don't have a truss needed. Okay, next week I'll show you a bit on the steel, not say steel. Maybe yes, but on maybe some other connection and structure analysis. Okay, how you assign some loading, a simple one, have a head start. All right, this is not covered in your syllabus, but I would say that for CE, you need to learn a bit. Yeah, DA, I don't know whether you learn or not because I'm not sure on that. But I believe should have some similar thing on it. Okay. So if you have your robot structure installed, that would be good. If not, you just simply look at my screen how I do it. Okay. Then I will record. You all take that as a video for reference and so on. Okay. Can? So I'll need some time to finish my model. So I'm going to show you maybe very last lesson, which is only your test day. You do test, I show you my model. Okay, on the finished products. If I happen to finish everything, because I also quite busy. Hopefully I have time to finish this. Okay. But you guys got to submit before your test. So end of the day, tagging, I got to show you. All right. Because this is your week 12. So you look at the calendar, 30 is your week 13. Yep. Then you guys knows that your week 14 is coming to your Chinese New Year. You submit by tomorrow first, but you still got to finish everything. I believe certain thing I haven't complete, but what I mean is like at least your model you sign by tomorrow. I want to have a copy first, but on your very last day, that means on the 20th, right? This is where your test. So you're finished tomorrow by all your model. That means the beam, what need to be covered, what need to be placed, as I mentioned. Yeah, all this. But don't just have, oh, something floating on top. No wonder. Ah, it's here. No wonder I was thinking why missing. Okay, it's here. Railing, yes. Also, because all these are modeling stuff. If you can't finish modeling, I mean your this railing by tomorrow, never mind. At least the main component model need to be up. At least I want to have a copy. I don't want to wait until last lesson. Nobody wanted or nobody still haven't submitted anything. All right. You have tests, yes, on the 20th, second week of Chinese New Year. There's a test. No need to shit lah. It's standards. Everyone will have it structure. That's why you need to draw. Know how to quickly go and draw up the thing. Okay? Yeah. No wonder I was looking for this slab is on top. Ayaya. No wonder I was wondering how come I missed that out. Okay, delete away. See my model also like mess. I still got to do some adjustment. Okay, yep. Questions? If not, then we'll stop here. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Before you
yes.
go, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, what?
I got a question.
Okay. Yep. See ya.
Uh, okay. May I share screen?
Okay. Let me stop my. Okay, done.
Okay. I want to ask. This is it? This RAM should be a floor, not a RAM.
No. The one that is landing.
So it's not a
Hold
RAM.
on first. Let me request control because I want to show you.
Okay.
It's not zooming. Okay. Hmm? I can't zoom. Okay. Nothing can. Ha! Your model still nothing. Oh my
No,
goodness.
no, no. Because
You hide, huh?
because last because my computer crashed. So I didn't save it. So I
Ah.
redo. But when I redo, I encounter this kind of problem. So I don't know how to fix it.
Okay. This one here actually I did the video we have. I did mentioning a few times. Okay, maybe you look at my screen. Easier that way because yours is nothing not difficult to explain. Okay, you look at my screen.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's just-
let me show you mine and you understand better. Okay, now I open the one that is I have for the RAM 3D like this. Okay,
Okay.
now the one in the darker color, when I say landing means what? Means if this is my service, first story goes up. See now, to second story, which is here, right? The green color. This
Yes.
is the second story. So this one should be a slab, which is flat, so that your vehicle can turn into the building. It's not like what you see the archi is twisted because it's a still pavement, a path that's going up. You get what I mean? So I have two different set here. This is the original one, which is based on what we calculated and draw. But those that at the second, third, fourth, fifth, all this is a slab, not a RAM. So you can see I have two different set. You can see this is a RAM. You see my this is the floor.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, because it cannot be a RAM when it is twisted. So your vehicle come down, it be bumpy, and it actually can collapse. You can
Okay.
topple the vehicle. And all this value I did create or I did type in the video also. So just go through the value here. Yeah. It's
Okay.
already record the last week video when we are doing this. So it's already explained in the video. Yeah. Oh,
No wonder it didn't connect.
yeah. Because it's bit I mean Aki doing conceptual model, but when you are doing structural building, we must do it accurate because real world, what people gonna build. You see, that's why my when it comes to the level, the landing sit nicely. When I drag, hold on, I drag this a bit. See that? See model here flush nicely.
Yes.
See that here? Flush 90, flat. So you can see here, this is twisted. This is not. Archi represent everyone is twisted, which is not true. You can't design something like this. Okay?
Okay.
So remember, this is floor, but I call it a name spiral ram landing. Yeah. Then this one here is still ram, but the rest of all this is still a ram. It's correct. Only here is a landing.
Okay.
If you want to create as a ram, it's okay, but normally I prefer floor slab. It's easier that way.
Okay.
Because I don't want to get you all confused. When you change the value, later it might affect the rest. So I just draw this as a landing, it means a slab.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yep. No problem. It means yours here, because not connected, is because of the value, as I said. If you do the up one like last week, what we do correctly, the value applies the same on the other side. That means the coming down one is here, right? This is the second one that's coming down. Correct now? Yeah. Okay, this is the value. If you do the other one, which is my one in green correctly last week, the value is still the same. That's why I wrote down the value. Rebar you can do later if you want. It's okay. As I said, model. I want your at least your model be there. Rebar can do later, but because it's still in the topics, so I just cover. Okay, because during the time by right, you guys should be finishing your RAM. Here is just that I repeat again. You can see that someone has drawing clash. It's not of PC clash, which is you're not done fully. So I'm still repeating this. But right, I should not be keep repeating this because done and gone already. All right, and of course, as I lastly repeat this column here, the height at the last level should try to adjust it. Okay, because of the next level, I mean last level, there's nothing really, so got to set all the height. Okay, not just leave it extend long, which is wrong. Okay, let me capture your snapshot, your screenshot. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna save this. Yep. 12:26. Okay, so okay, I'll stop here for today. Bye bye.